Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jeff from AGL Tech, and time for some tech news. So did you guys miss your flip phone but still want a smartphone? Well, this year might be your year. Apparently Motorola is going to unveil their affordable Razer phone. They sent invites to the press for an event on November 13th. They also had a gift showing something that looks like the shell of the OG Razer flip phone peeling away, revealing a hinge that looks similar to Samsung's Galaxy Fold. Motorola did report in February, though, that they were working on a foldable device. There are some Redditors showing the phone folds smaller, not bigger like all the other foldable smartphones. It was originally supposed to be revealed this summer, so it's probably a good thing they waited so they could see Samsung's mistakes, no offense Samsung, and then fix them. So you guys aren't going to believe this one. So instead of the old boxy game systems, there are some rumors of the PlayStation 5 going to be a V-shaped cutout, making it seem like it's not going to look like the traditional game systems. The dev kit of the PS5 was also leaked. Also looks like there's a camera built into the front, which can possibly be for streaming, so wonder how that's going to work out. You Pixel 4 folks better watch out. There has been multiple reports say that they have a pretty serious security flaw in the face unlock feature, which will unlock the phone even if the person's eyes are shut. It advises the users to keep their phone in a safe place. And apparently they're currently working on the setting which will require users' eyes to be open to unlock the phone. And I want to inspect it anytime soon. As Google says, it's in the upcoming month. So in the meantime, you might want to require a PIN. And isn't that something that you shouldn't have to set a setting for? Shouldn't you have to have the eyes open to unlock your phone? Who knows? Hey, I'm sorry guys, this video might be a little bit shorter than normal because there's something wrong with my camera batteries. And I tried putting some new batteries on, it just doesn't work, so I'm going to end this now because I have to have the video up later tonight so I can upload it so it's there on time on Saturday for you guys. Okay, so it died again. So anyways, guys, you know what to do. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Get subscribed down below. Turn on the bell notification. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.